Okay, my webcam absolutely sucks. I just got done teaching you how to play Lynyrd Skynyrd's Freebird, so here it is again, and I hope I can get everything in the camera here. The chords are G, D, E minor, F, C, D. That's during the verses. And then that part where it goes, and you know this bird will never change, you do the F, the C, the D. And I'll go through the progression for you. And then at the end they do that. So I would have to say this is kind of like an intermediate tutorial. So you want to have I'll list all the chord progressions and how to play them. So the song starts out in G. I'll do that one more time. Back to the verses. Then you'll just keep repeating those while you're singing your verses. And then at the end, whenever he starts off, and this bird you will never change, you'll recognize it when I start playing it. He goes, and then that goes on forever and ever with a bunch of leads and everything in the guitar. But that's basically how you play Freebird. I'll list all the lyrics and the chords on guitarmaximus.com. I hope to see you there. Thanks.